He's Donald Pup the Trump Pup.
Okay, Donald Pup the Trump Pup. General Kelly says you need more discipline, but don't worry, I'm enrolling you in the greatest, most fantastic obedience school in the world. Mine.
Trump Pup, going to school now. Trump Pup, sitting and staying. Trump Pup, learning geography. Trump Pup, reading up on science. Trump Pup, racist geometry. Trump Pup, also history. Trump Pup, meeting exchange students. Trump Pup, doing assigned reading.
Congratulations on all your hard work, Donald Pup. What? No, I'm not here to pick you up. I'm here to drop off Don Jr.
Aw, Dad, come on.